Good day. So I am in Bonham, St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Very lovely view. We have Kings Hill Mountain in the back. Yep. Very beautiful. It's where I grew up most of my childhood, where I currently live. So I'm going to be doing a video herb walk. Just going to walk through nature, identify a few of the herbs and plants that we encounter. Yes. So here we have ramgoat dash, what Jamaicans call ramgoat dash. It's herb, a plant that is purported to boost your sexual sex drive. That's why they give it the name ramgoat dash, because they realize that your livestock ate this plant, this herb a lot, and they gain a lot of young offsprings. Here we have Jack in the Bush, which is an anti-inflammatory herb. Yep. It's very lovely, calm and relaxing walk through nature. And we have a Soursop Tree, plant which is known worldwide for its anti-cancer benefits. As they will call it, Graviola. They have the sweet sop, the Soursop varieties. Here's another one. Wow. It's like they have a lot on the island. Wow. Leaves, use them most of the times to make a tea that helps you to sleep. Very relaxing. Here we have Brazilian Bachelor button. Flower has a very sweet smelling aroma. Can be used to make an essential oil. Here you have quite a view. View from the top. Lots of herbs, lots of herbs. Lots of herbs. Here we have the touch me not plant. Notice when it touches it, it closes in. It's a very sensitive plant, as they would call it. And over there we have a trumpet bush tree. Yep. Which is good for colds. Just boil the leaves. Colds and flu. More ramgoat dash. Another soursop tree. Yeah, when you come up here, it feels so much like a haven, you know, just quite relaxing. I mean, it's amazing the abundance of herbs and plants we have on the island here, and unfortunately not being utilized. Knowledge is just lacking. The awareness really isn't there. We have another one. Here we have more Jack in the Bush. One that is flowering. And we have a strong back. Yeah, good for back pain, strong back herb plant, as the Jamaicans would call it. Lots of them here. Lots of them here. Have some breadfruit bush leaves on the ground here. The old folks always say that it's good for high blood pressure. I have a breadfruit tree. Another soursop tree. Wow. Lots of strongback on the ground growing here. We have lots of ramgoat dash. It's good for diabetics. Whole lot of wide range of benefits. Here we have cankerberry, good for sore throat. See there with the berries, the red berries. The red berries there, cankerberry. We have more Brazilian buttons on the ground here, or lark daisy. Growing in such abundance. Here we have piper, aromatic herb used in spices, or Jamaican pepper. Jamaican pepper. We have a willow tree. Fiddlewood tree. Here we have more Jamaican pepper. A lot here, more Jamaican pepper. Ramgoat dash. Jamaican pepper again. Papayas. Papaya. Papaya, who's a latex. There's many benefits. I'll be picking this one. Gotta love this island. You know, we have everything at our fingertips. Go anywhere, the bushes, river, anywhere. Such abundance of herbs, such a blessed island. You know, it's sad that these plants, these herbs aren't being utilized. Wow, lovely. Yeah, I have a mango tree. Mango trees. Mango trees. Be heading over this other side. What a view. What a view. What a view. We have Victoria Village over there. Yeah, Carapan, Kingsville Mountain in the back there. Wow. A few livestock on the pasture. Oh, I almost fell. These here, you know, traditionally used to make mats. You can plait them or tie them. You also tie the livestock on them, the animals. Very hard to uproot. Very hard. We have another Soursop Tree. Another Soursop Tree. And look what's over there. Lemongrass. Yeah. Lemongrass. Or fever grass as we would call it. We're gonna be heading over there. Yeah, tell you, man, abundance of herbs and plants, man. Treat many ailments, many benefits, but just not being utilized. I need more experience with the camera. At the moment, using my phone because it's lightweight. But as time goes by, I'll get a more advanced gadget. You know, my dogs are, I don't know if they found something. Yeah, my dogs. Seems as though they found something. Fever grass. Good for fever, inflammation. Makes a sweet smelling tea. Can be also used to make an infusion oil. Wow. Wow. And oh, here we have hornbeam. Yes. Hornbeam. Wow. Its wood is very ideal for making furnitures, make pianos. Once I found out about it when I was doing the Master Herbalist course. I said, wow. Yeah, here we are thinking it's just some other wild plant. But everything has its use. You'll get to find out everything has its use. Everything is here for a reason. So that's what the Creator put these plants here for our benefits, healing, curing. Wow, it's abundance. Hornbeam, fever grass. Wow, it's so relaxing here. Mango tree, mango tree, mango tree here again. Fever grass, hornbeam. Yep. I always come up here, always do my jogging, come up here to relax, so relaxing, so relaxing. In here we have bay leaf, what we call bay leaf, we locals call bay leaf. Makes a sweet smelling tea. Put it in your porridge. Sweet smelling aroma. Wow. Beautiful. Vincent and the Grenadines. You remain. Homeland. Wow. Here we have more Jamaican pepper. But it's beautiful, beautiful. Wow. Jamaican pepper. So thanks for watching. That's it for now.